Can I have it?
You've already got so many at home.
But the ones at home are outdated. It's no fun playing with them.
I don't agree. They're interesting.
Jason, we should be happy and content with what we have.
Yeah. But, Mom!
Dad, this is strange. What's it for?
Well, in the past, there were no traffic lights. Policemen stood on these platforms to direct the traffic.
Like this?
Yeah, just like that.
Sarah, what does it look like to you?
Is it a prison?
No, in the old days, people in the new territories lived in this kind of house.
So these bars were to keep out thieves?
And pirates. Sometimes they even built walls around their villages for protection.
What are all these?
These are shrines.
What are all these letters on them?
Those are the names of the people died.
What's so interesting about old things?
I can tell you.
Who said that?
Come on, sit down, boy. Do you really think that old things are not interesting?
Yes.
Okay, let's play a game. You will have 3 chances. Now, choose the first card. I'm sorry, you've lost the game. Maybe you can open the curtains there. Go inside and see what you find.
Okay. What's happened? Excuse me, can you please tell me where I am?
我都唔知你講乜。
Excuse me?
不如你同我一齊見阿叔啊！行啦！阿叔，有個男仔想問你嘢啊。
問咩啊？
你知啊
1962?
咩事啊？
Excuse me, can you please tell me how to go back to my time?
Your time? I don't understand.
What's this?
This is an abacus.
What's it for?
To calculate.
To calculate?
Yeah.
How?
By pushing the beads. Look.
It's too slow. Let me show you something. A calculator. My calculator works faster than your abacus.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
So, let's have a competition then.
All right.
Get ready. 1, 2, 3, start. 600 plus 123 minus 546 plus 57. 234. So, what's a faster way to calculate?
I guess the abacus is. I shouldn't have made fun of it.
When you do calculations, which one will you choose?
I am a useful tool. I am made of wood, not wool. Push my beads up and down. You can calculate the exact amount. What am I? Ah, an abacus.
Sure. Hey.
Tell me how to go back to my time.
I don't know. Go and take the train.
The train? How come there's no air conditioning? This train must be very slow. Wow, it's not easy to open the windows. $1935? I don't understand. I don't have any tickets.
Don't worry. I'll pay for you.
Thank you, thank you.
I'll幫你俾啦。 Do you like to travel by train?
Yes, but not like this.
Why? What do you mean?
This train is old. It's not comfortable.
Well, I'm very happy with this train. In the past, there were no trains. It was very difficult to travel to the new territories. Now, it has become much easier.
You may be right.
Boy, we always try to make things better. But this doesn't mean that old things are useless.
But what's the use of old things?
Old things are a part of our past. We learn from the past and make life better. Here's your ticket.
I am a tiny, tiny piece of paper, as light as a small, small feather. Pay for me on a sunny day. You can go to the new territories far away. What am I? Yes, a train ticket. Hey! Hey! Wait up! Wait! Wait! Wow, this wall is so high.
Sometimes they even built walls around their villages for protection.
Yes, the high walls kept out thieves and pirates. 1920? Excuse me. You again?
Huh?
Oh, I'm sorry. I visited a place like this when I was with my mom and dad. Can you tell me what this place is?
This is an ancestral hall.
An ancestral hall? What's it for?
This place is for people to show respect to their ancestors, like their grandparents that have passed away. Sometimes we also gather here to hold important meetings.
I see. What are all those?
Those are shrines. The names of our ancestors were written on them.
Uh-huh. By the way, what are the children playing outside?
Shall we go and take a look?
Sure. What are those?
Oh, those are bean bags.
Bean bags? What's the fun of playing with them?
Try to find it out yourself.
Hello? My name is Jason. Can I play with you? I want to play with you. This is interesting. I like it. Are these handmade?
Yes, these bean bags are usually made by mothers or grandmothers.
But why do they make these beanbags by themselves? Aren't there any other toys?
Yes, there are. But not all of us have the money to buy toys. So we try to make use of the things around us. See? With simple objects like bins and cloth, we can make this. Your last chance.
I am a toy, a very small toy. Children throw me up and catch me with joy. Mothers make me with cloth and beans. Remember not to hurt me with pins. What am I? A beanbag.
Mom, Dad, Jason's here.
Jason, where have you been? We've been looking for you.
Dad, I went back in time.
Jason, what are you talking about?
Okay, let's play a game.
Are you talking
You've
about?
got 3 chances.
You're not interested in old things.
Choose your first.
Well, Dad, I now know that old things are a part of the past, and I won't ask for new toys anymore. I am happy and content with what I have.
How did you go back in time?
Well, I went through